let's start our third experiment, that is to sort n number of elements by using bubble sort. Now, what is sorting algorithm? So, a sorting algorithm is used to rearrange a given array of elements according to the comparison operators on the elements. Okay. The comparison operator is used to decide the new order of element in the respective data structure. So, in simple words, we can say that sorting refers to arranging the data in a particular format. Sorting algorithm specifies a way to arrange data in a particular order. Okay. Let's talk about bubble sort. So in bubble sort, each element of the array is compared with the adjacent element and the algorithm processes the list in passes. Okay. So a list with n elements requires n minus 1 passes for sorting. Consider an array of n elements whose elements are to be sorted by using bubble sort. Let's say that the n equals to 5. That means we need to sort 5 elements. So for that, how many passes required to sort 5 elements? It requires 4 number of passes for sorting. Okay. Now, how this bubble sort algorithm process? In pass 1, array of 0 index is compared with array of 1 index. Next, array of 1 is compared with array of 2. Array of 2 is compared with array of 3 and so on. Okay. And at the end of pass 1, the largest element of the list is placed at the highest index of the list. Okay. In pass 2, the same process. Array of 0 compared with array of 1, array of 1 compared with array of 2, and at the end of pass 2, the second largest element of the list is placed at the second highest index of the list. In this way, in pass n minus 1 number of passes, the process is same. A0 and array of 0 is compared with array of 1. Array of 1 is compared with array of 2. And at the end of this pass, the smallest element of the list is placed at the first index of the list. Okay, let's have a look. Example. Okay. Let's talk about this example. So here it is, 5 elements. Okay. This is array of 5 elements and this array is unsorted array. Okay. Here, this position is array of index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3 and in index 3 and index 4. Okay. So, in pass 1, what happens? Array of 0, that means this position is compared with whom? Array of 1 index, that means this position. Okay. So, first these two elements compared with each other. So, here 14 and 33. 14 is smallest and 33 is largest. That means this is sorted. Next, these two numbers 33 and 27, these two elements is compared. Here 27 is smallest and 33 is largest. So swapping has to be done. So 27 comes to this position and 33 goes to this position. These two numbers are swapped with each other. Look at here. Here 27, 33. Again the process, 33 compared with 35. It is sorted. Next 35 compared with 10. So 10 comes here. 10 comes to this position. So pass 1 is completed. Now pass 2 starts. Again starts the same process. These two compared, these two compared, here, these two. When these two compared with each other, 10 comes here, 33 comes here, right? Again here, from the beginning. Okay? And in this way, the process goes on until n minus 1 number of passes. So let's have a look the program. Here array of 10 number of elements. Here this is the 10 elements which is user defined. Okay, and this array is unsorted array. Integer is the data type, I variable, j variable, and temp is one temporary variable which is used for swapping these two numbers. Okay, next loop start I. So I is assigned to 0 and then compare this I less than 10. If I less than 10, then control comes to this j loop. J which is assigned I plus 1 and j less than 10, right? Next control comes here. If condition has to be checked and a of j, if a of j greater than a of I, that means one temporary variable is needed and a of I is assigned this temporary variable. A of j is assigned to a of I and temporary variable is assigned to a of j, and in this way the swapping has to be done. Next increment is done and control comes here. Okay, and printing sorted element, and again just print the a of I variable, a of I number. Okay, so now run this program. Here the printing sorted elements list. Here look at here, the number is sorted, but this number is sorted in a decreasing order. Sorting has to be done either in increasing order or in decreasing order. Here output has shown in decreasing order. Look at here, 7, 9, sorry, 101, 78, 44, 34, 23, 23, because two number is 23. So 23 is here, 12, 10, 9, 7. Okay, in this way, the bubble sort has been executed. Okay,